Welcome back, aspiring content creators. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of making money on YouTube. If you've ever wondered how to turn your passion into profit, you've come to the right place. So grab a notepad and get ready to take some notes, because I'm about to share the secrets to success on this platform. Before we dive in, let's talk about the potential that YouTube holds. With billions of monthly active users and a massive global audience, YouTube has become a hub for content creators to build their brands and generate revenue streams. So, how can you make money on YouTube? Let's break it down. First and foremost, we have AdSense. Once you meet YouTube's requirements, which is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program, which enables you to monetize your videos through ads. As your channel grows and you gain more subscribers and watch time, you'll start earning a share of the ad revenue generated from your content. Another lucrative avenue is through sponsorships and brand collaborations. As your channel gains traction, brands may approach you for partnerships, or you can proactively reach out to brands relevant to your niche. By showcasing their products or services in your videos, you can earn not only financial compensation, but also gain exposure to their audience. Why stop at sponsorships? Once you've built a dedicated fan base, consider creating and selling your own merchandise or products. From t-shirts to custom merchandise, your audience would love to show their support by purchasing items that represent your brand. It's a fantastic way to deepen your connection with your community and boost your revenue streams. Additionally, platforms like Patreon have gained popularity among YouTubers. Patreon allows your fans to support you directly by pledging a monthly fee or making one-time donations. It's an excellent way to offer exclusive perks and content to your most dedicated supporters. Crowdfunding platforms can also be used to fund special projects or creative endeavors. And there you have it, folks. Making money on YouTube is within your reach. It takes time, dedication, and consistently creating valuable content for your audience. So go out there, chase your dreams, and turn your passion into a thriving YouTube channel. Who knows? You might just be the next YouTube success story. Thank you for watching, and as always, keep creating.